Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine after I've taken down my 3-month-old braids. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first step of my wash day routine is going to be a pre-poo treatment, and the pre-poo treatment that I'm going to be doing is going to be aloe vera gel mixed with my henna hair growth oil. So my henna hair growth oil is a part of my hair care collection, which the link is always down in the description box. It is creolelily.com. So I'm not sure how many ounces this applicator bottle is, but I'm just gonna fill it up 3/4 of the way, and then the rest of the way I'm going to add my henna hair growth oil into it, and then I'm just gonna shake it up and I'm gonna apply it all over my hair. So if you watched my previous video where I did the takedown and detangle of my hair, I did not wash out the conditioner. I just left it in, and I'm just gonna apply the pre-poo treatment on top of that. Also, when it comes to this pre-poo treatment, I kind of use it also as kind of like a light protein treatment as well. I feel as though after you have your hair in for a long time in a protective style, is good to do a pre-poo treatment. Not a pre-poo treatment, but it's good to do a protein treatment. You know, you just want to make sure that you bring that strength back into your hair. Also, I want to clarify something. When it comes to the conditioner that I use to help detangle my hair, I didn't like wash it out with like water, but I did try to squeeze out as much of the conditioner out of my hair as possible.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in images on replay. Still right next to you. You try not to show. I feel like
So after I applied the pre-poo treatment all over my hair, I'm just going to wrap my hair in a plastic bag, and then I'm going to allow it to sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. So after about 30 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed out the pre-poo treatment, and now I am going to be shampooing my hair. I'm going to be using the shampoo from my collection, which is the Citrus Revitalizing Shampoo. This shampoo contains ingredients such as olive oil, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, as well as citrus essential oils, and I'm going to be shampooing my hair 3 times.
You wish you
after I shampooed my hair, I went ahead and applied my conditioner, which is also a part of my collection. It's the Citrus Revitalizing Conditioner, and this conditioner contains extracts such as sage, horsetail, chamomile, ginseng root, lemon peel, and also aloe vera. So I'm just going to apply this conditioner all over my hair from the roots down to the ends of my hair, and then I'm going to place a plastic bag over my hair, and then I'm going to allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. I'm going to be using a bonnet hair dryer attachment, so just to add some heat to my hair since I do have low porosity hair, so that way the conditioner can penetrate my hair shaft.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby.
So after about 30 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed out the conditioner. So I do have a part 3 coming up on my moisturizing routine, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.